It's been 4 years. Like 4 साल बीत गए यार, 4 साल आर्किटेक्चर के. आई वॉज जस्ट वंडरिंग कि मतलब कैसे बीत गए 4 साल. वी वर सो बिजी इन आर academic life, the submissions, jury, deadlines and all, the drafting and all, sleepless nights, and it's like now we are entering in the final year of BArch, Bachelor of Architecture. It's a great achievement for all of us. What are we going to take ahead is not just a degree, but the journey we lived in last 4 years. Personally, for me, architecture has taught me a lot of things, and there is a lot to share. But the reason behind making this video is like we, as a founder batch, we can share some bits with you, the best part of the last 4 years and what have we learned. And yeah, so this video is going to be a Q&A session with my batchmates. Like, we are the founder batch of this KL Tiwari College, and we would like to share with you. So I'll just go online and then we'll start the quick Q&A session. So I guess everyone are online right now. So my first question to you all is, which was your best semester so far?
The best sem for me was SAM 8 because we did internship in SAM 8, which opened the doors into the practical world of architecture apart from books. It also helped me understand the real picture of the scenario around me and helped me in enhancing my knowledge into this field.
First semester was one of the best semesters. Initially, we were quite nervous yet excited to explore architecture. Along with academics, it was full of fun and excitement.
My favorite semester in college is SEM 5. In SEM 5, we have been given the design of public library and community resource center. Why it was my favorite? One of the reason was the site had contours. Another is 50% of the site was reserved for community park, and the third is the site was accessible to only one side of the road. That's why being the most challenging site, it was one of my favorite.
Hello. So my favorite semester is the second semester because in second semester we go for a first architectural tour in Goa. We also make a model of mandir. We also did the same documentation of the mandir also. It was a very great experience for us.
Okay, so moving on to the next question is, which are your two favorite subjects till now? I start with you, Dharmi.
Favorite subjects? It's gonna be tough because I don't have any. Just kidding. My favorite subjects are AD, Architecture Drawing, and Humanities. AD because it's your own thought. The design is your own. The elements you are designing, it's your own. And one is Humanities because Humanities is more of history, not technical. That's why.
Two favorite subjects are, first one is AD and the second one is Humanities. The first one AD because in AD you give your own thoughts to your design, and second one Humanities because it's good to know about your ancient history and culture.
Hi Pratik. My favorite subjects were ABC, graphic design and basic design. ABC and graphic design were most boring due to the drafting, and basic design because they initiate the basic principle of design and which we implement in our design later on.
My favorite subject is Humanities because I like the history of places behind it, and also the architectural story. I find it fascinating, and architectural design because I like the thinking process, how it is reflected on paper.
So moving on to next question, which was your best college trip till now? Well, I'm saying now because I'm just hoping one last trip with you all. So yeah, which was your best college trip?
So my favorite trip was Kudal. We enjoyed there a lot, and we ate the best fish food. Ek number.
Hi bye, how are you? The favorite trip was all of them. But the special one might be the first year of the Goa trip. Yeah. It was really awesome. We all really connected there. It was really awesome. The first connection was started from there. Yes.
The best tour experience, it has to be the Goa and Kudal tour, and I know everyone from the class is going to say the same thing. Yeah, this was the best tour. It was the temple documentation, it was the food, the network not being there at Kudal, various faculties going in and out of the tour, and this all just made it so special for us.
सबसे अच्छी चीज़ क्या होती है कॉलेज ट्रिप्स है ना. हमारा फर्स्ट ट्रिप था गोवा
आई कांट इवन से कितना अच्छा ट्रिप था वो। वहाँ पे हम लोग ने कितनी मस्ती वगैरह तो की ही, पर साथ में हम लोग ने चर्चेस देखे, पोर्टुगल आर्किटेक्चर देखा, कितने ऑसम बीचेस थे वहाँ पे। एंड ऑल्सो हम लोग ने वहाँ पे एक टेम्पल का केस स्टडी भी किया था। सो एज अ फर्स्ट ईयर राइड दिस होल पैकेज वाज superb.
Kulu Manali was my favorite tour because the snow over there was like Jannat.
My best tour is Manali because it had snow and nothing beats snow.
वो दैट वॉज एपिक सार्थक। मतलब मैं तेरे से एग्री करता हूँ कि नथिंग कैन बीट स्नो ऑफ कोर्स। एंड ऑल्सो माइन ऑल्सो फेवरेट ट्रिप्स वर द गोवा फर्स्ट ईयर ट्रिप, गोवा कूडाल, एंड द फोर्थ ईयर ट्रिप चंडीगढ़ मनाली। गोवा बिकॉज दिल चाहता है, चंडीगढ़ मनाली बिकॉज ऑफ YJHD। सो ये दोनों ट्रिप्स मैंने आर्किटेक्चर ईयर्स में एंजॉय की। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच वॉज योर बेस्ट कॉलेज इवेंट?
Yeah, so my best college event was the annual sports event that we had because outdoor sports is something that I like the most, and apart from the untimely college routine, those 2-3 days of sports event I like the most.
The second best thing that comes after college trip is of course college events. और culturals और college event किसके favorite नहीं होते? But one of my best was when we were in second year. We had many sports competition, dance shows, dramas, and the best thing was the fashion show where we first time interacted with our juniors, and it was seriously really amazing experience.
All the events that we had till now were the best ones, wherein all of us just came together as one big family and celebrated it as a big festival. Everyone just poured their heart out and took the efforts to make it as great as possible. I feel to see all those smiling faces at the end of every event and having themselves stuffed with a lot of memories, that's what made every event the best one.
So after waiting for 3 long years, we got the chance to participate in NASA and represent our college. So I want to know, how was your NASA experience? So I'll start with Akshay.
So it was a very great experience. According to me, every architecture student should once participate in the NASA competition and represent their college because इसमें मज़ा ही कुछ आता है.
So about NASA, I think we waited for 3 long years for NASA to happen, and when it finally did, it was one of the best experiences we have had till date. We were just a team of like 15 of us, and even though we were just 15 of us, we managed to create a niche for ourselves and our college on such a huge platform. And we also observed a lot of growth, self-growth as a team. A lot of team spirit and friendship are also developed. So yes, in all, it was a very memorable experience for all of us.
At NASA competition, surrounding was so amazing, and each and every function in NASA event is opportunity to learn most of it and explore our hidden talent too. We had made one slogan during NASA competition. It was इसकी मारी उसकी मारी किसने मारी केएल तिवारी. It's a great fun and overall it was excellent experience.
राहुल भाई, आई विश अपनी पूरी फाउंडर बैच वहाँ पे होती है यार, मतलब हम लोग फुल मचा देते. सो माई नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू ऑल इज़, व्हाट हैज़ आर्किटेक्चर लाइफ taught to you as a human being?
So as a pursuing architect, I would like to share one biggest thing that architecture has given me as a human being. That is patience, I guess, because throughout my architecture career in these 4 years, this one thing has helped me in all of my bad times as well as my good times also. So, and I hope it's gonna help me after architecture also.
So my learnings from the architecture academic life would be how to have my own views, how to stand for them, face criticism and defend them. And secondly, after all these years of vigorous submissions, group works, one has to learn this, how to not panic at the face of deadline.
So as a human being, architecture has impacted in my day-to-day life, such as how to present yourself, how to build your personality altogether, and how to talk to people eventually. That has really impacted in my life, and how to greet people and meet people, and that's how it has revolved in my learnings of architecture eventually. So.
After joining architecture, every one of us have grown to be mature in our words, actions, and even in our works. On a personal note, I would say that architecture has definitely made me confident in ways I never knew was possible.
So the next question is, what do you feel about our college now hosting a national competition? What do you guys think about it? Yeah, like Meg, you can start from you.
Yeah, I'm just so very proud. I feel that KL Tiwari is always known for taking risks, and अब आदत हो गई है frankly. But I feel that our faculties always felt that there is no excellence without labor, and that is the reason why we could take such a huge step of launching even the national competition amongst the lockdown. And the response that we've got is just amazing, and we hope to continue, and I'm just so very proud.
Yeah, I'm glad that our college is hosting the national competition this year, and we are really working very hard to organize it properly, and it will be great and fun learning experience.
I am really proud of my college because it will prove to be a great platform for the students to explore their talents, also helping the students that are handling the competition to become effective leaders.
So being the first batch of this institute, it has always been an amazing experience doing anything for the first time, and we were supposed to set a benchmark for all our juniors, but now that all of our students are working unitedly to host this national competition on a much more greater platform than ever expected. And yes, I bet that this is gonna be an amazing experience during this lockdown, and it's gonna be a great success for each and every one of us.
So our college has always been conducting various activities for students. Since we were a small family, most of the activities were always in-house. But now that we have launched the national competition, I'm very excited to see what comes out of it and what different ideas of utopia from the balcony are explored.
So yes, that was the quick Q&A session with our founder batch of KL Tiwari College. Well, I know कि बहुत कुछ share करने का होगा, but of course we don't want to make this short video into a long movie. So yeah, that's it for the video. So I wish all the best for both of our founder batch and juniors who are working really hard right now to host this national competitions, and we can only just wish you luck and give a helping hand in whatever you need. As always, hope to see you soon after the lockdown.